Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create Yahoo email account on mobile. So first of all, go to your Google search option, search here to Yahoo. Now I'm showing a very simple method step by step, so follow my all process very carefully. Click on create an account. Type here your name, first name and last name. Type here your strong password. Select a date of birth, first month, day and year. Click on to continue. And you need to add your recover mobile number. Tap on to send code. Start puzzle. Security check complete. Click on to continue. And you need to just paste here your 6-digit verification code. Just put on here, then click on to next, then successfully create Yahoo email account in this mobile. So that's how we can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more videos.